Just showing you guys my new craft room setup. This is my big trimmer. What you saw outside was my bookshelf. It's got all my old books and stuff like that. I got glue down there. It's my where I film at, microphone, ink daubers, water bottle, alcohol inks, my Timmy towel. And over here I've got cleaning stuff, file folders, randomness. Just a box that has nothing in it. This is like extra papers and containers, ink for my printer, which is in my room. Little handheld vacuum, a big table. This has got flowers in it, all my glues, and my small crocodile, corner chompers, rulers, scissors, box cutters, bone folders, cards and spreaders, large paper clips, hole reinforcers, magnets, a big bite. These are the plates and stuff that go to my Gemini Junior that I have not used yet. More file folders. I am going to do that because I want to do a review on it. Tapes. The string that I use for bookbinding. My brayer, which has been washed off, but it's kind of stained. Does anyone else have notice that there's a sticky? Some gloves, my watercolor pencils, various dyed papers, envelope liners, some more dyed papers, some of these envelopes, couple of purple digitals, and my black notebook paper. Up here is things that I don't use very often, like that and that clear container is all threads. That's got old Victorian ornaments in there. Mica powder, coffee. Those two boxes is where I keep napkins. And then I've got magazines and pattern paper in there. And those. These are my glassine bags and checks and time cards. This is dyed Mod Podge. It's been dyed with vintage photo, gesso, clear and white, acrylics, extra glue sticks, glossy accents, my Timmy trimmer, paper punches, some more of those big envelopes, and these two totes have fall and winter items. More punches, wooden stamps, material, ribbon and trims. These are like eyelash trim, glitter and bobbin thread, another paper punch, more glitter, empty bottles and tape, sequins, lace and trim, more material and lace, some more lace, fabric remnants and more ribbon, and more ribbon and material here. I've got a heater. I've also got my ring light that Kyung sent to me. Thank you again, Kyung, for that. I love it. This has got eyelets, bulb pins, paper clips, beads, what else? Charms. I think that's it. And those. I've got like dictionary words and vocabulary cards, stamps, those Tim Holtz words, book corners, and sorry about this, guys. Oh, bells, a regular stapler, beads, more eyelets, my gelatos, my watercolor paints, random like mica powder, some large eyeballs, coffee dyed lace, large playing cards, some small notebooks, twine, my sewing needles, plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and Ziploc bags, alcohol markers and paper towels, more bulb pens, decorative scissors, and clear coat. This file cabinet here has all my 12 by 12 papers in it, besides the excess that's up here. This box is all scraps. Just my desk, a lamp. I got a shelf, an empty shelf. My sewing machine is on this desk here. The desk itself has, well, it's seen better days, but that's actually been Mod Podged. I did this myself. It doesn't look so great now because it's been like that for a while and part of it's ripping. But it was done with wrapping paper. Beads in here. Old ashtray. Stickles and liquid pearls. Randomness. I've got my staples. Embossing powders. Embossing ink, silicone tongs for like any hot glued items, tape runners, popsicle sticks and some tools, thread and acetate, highlighters, stainless steel pens, hooks, gears, and two like decorative lock things. Random like beading wire and regular needles and stuff, and some cutout bows from Shabby Dabby Doodah, and these are like silver sequins, and I've got a couple of the Tim Holtz medallions left. I have the die for that, so I've got to do some more die cutting, so I can put that stuff in my shop. Extra glues here. These are some like the sewing pins or clips. Small envelopes that I got from Junk Journal with Joy. Same, or not the same thing, but same person. These little dangles. The little journal dangles from Miss K. These little clusters that were made from Julie from Camellia Crafts Designs. And these are the fabric words from Kyung, and these are just 1-inch circles. Some of them have been stamped with thank you for my Etsy orders. And this is my brother. I've got like labels and steampunk stuff in here. Some stickers and number labels in there. And down here I've got my big shots, some larger wooden stamps. These are some ready-made ephemera. Down here I've got my scoreboard, envelopes, envelope punch board, and my stamp like press thing. Some old books, envelopes, buttons. And this is you know, floss, big paintbrush. That's in a funnel. That's what I use to coffee dye with. I got a Supernatural picture that my uncle bought for me. A signed picture. This is my baby man. This is Declan. He's a year old now. I got my Timmy people in there, my wax seals, and random stickers that really had no place. Picture of Cass from Supernatural that my daughter colored for me. Picture of Benedict Cumberbatch that my daughter drew for me. These are bookmarks. And down here, I've got 2 jelly plates and my acrylic stamps. Watercolor paper that's down there, and then I've got oil pastels, oil paints, and like sponges and cleaner for the oil painting down there. But that's what I've been working on the last few days. I hope you guys have been doing well. These are just random pictures that my mom already had in here hung up. And apparently I have my brother again up here too. My daughter was supposed to take one in there with her. That well, they're both the same, but that one's hers. But anyway, the other one was actually my nephew's, my brother's son's, and he didn't take it with him when he moved out. He just left it here like it didn't matter to him. But alas, anyway, beside the point. I'm doing much better. I'm still not out of the woods 100% yet, but I'm doing much better. So when we come back, we are going to, I'll review the die cutting machine. And we're also going to do some more jelly plates play, because there's a few ideas that I wanted to do, some of which was said to me from a viewer, Miss Patty, which was Possum Patty from Pennsylvania, which now Junk Journaling with Possum Patty is her channel now. I still need to hear from you on your Peter Rabbit journal so I can send it out to you. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys back here really soon. Bye.